first thing you need to do is go to your web browser and you need to type in nativecamp.net just into Google. After that you need to find the students page. Let's scroll down a little bit and here it is, the students page with these Japanese letters. So it should look like this, okay? When the page loads, we are going to use Google Translate. Translate this page into English language, and then we are going to use this one, find teacher.book, and then go to list of lectures. When you go to list of lectures, like this, 1 second, okay, it will load and it will look like this. After that you need to do just a couple of steps. You need to click on the status unspecified and corresponding teaching materials unspecified. After that you just need to type in your instructor's name and then click enter or load page, search for. When you do that you can find your profile here. So this is the page how students see us. On our page it is the tutors page, the ratings and the reviews, it is for payment. This is for the students to look up on your profile. You can see your badges here, your videos, your self-introduction videos and the self-introduction, what you wrote about yourself. Okay, you can see the lessons, number of reservations, you can see when are you available, and here it is the user rating and the reviews. So this is the page when you can find about that. Thanks for watching, and if you find this content useful, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel.